This is a course that is really a chance for some of our students to get a little extra support during the summer so that we can strengthen a lot of the skills that they've learned throughout the year and get them ready for September. We try our best to make it as engaging as possible, to really, our biggest goal is for these students to know and feel success. So by doing a lot of hands-on activities, this year we're doing thematic units, so each week is a different theme.
Some of the themes are a campfire theme. It was our first week that we were here. Our children sat around the campfire, learning some great skills for math strategies and literacy strategies. Our second week, I believe, is our Olympic week. We're so excited to be having that happening. We want our children to understand what the Olympics are, especially when they run right into August. And I think we're having a candy theme for our last week, where the ice cream truck will be here, and the children will be, again, reinforcing their math and literacy skills that may have been lost during the pivot to remote learning last year.
They love it. Like, listen, anything, we realize that it's summer, and we realize that these students, especially this year, have had a rough year, so to speak. But the idea is to make it as fun as possible. They want to come. I'm there every morning greeting every single student as they get out of the car. They are all smiling, and they leave with a smile on their face. They really enjoy it. They leave here feeling very confident. We want to build that confidence. We want them to know that when they enter the classroom in September, they're ready to hit the ground running, and that's the feedback that we've gotten from parents and from students, is that they felt success because of what we've provided them.